Good day. Welcome to Sarodee Medias. We are discussing about natural weight loss, and in the last video we discussed about the reasons that are responsible for unexpected weight gain, and in this video we will identify the different types of bodies. Women generally or naturally have more fat than men, as we have a greater amount of essential fat that is needed for bodily functions, that is forming reproductive tissue to aiding the absorption of vitamins consumed in different foods. The body fat ranges for optimal health are 14 to 30% for women and 6 to 25% for men. So, if you are at the lower end of the body fat spectrum but your fitness level falls under general fitness or athlete, you are not going to gain performance benefits by focusing on fat loss. You just make yourself sick. So first, let us identify our body type. Here's how to begin. So let's begin with the first body type. The first body type is the ectomorph, that you tend to be long-limbed and not particularly muscular. You can be skinny fat, meaning you are a relatively low weight and or small size but yet have high body fat. They are the body types that is the most resistant to weight gain because of a fast metabolism. In other words, they are often able to overeat while gaining little weight. People with this body type have little observable body fat and they are lightly muscled and small frame. Basically, your genetic makeup limits your ability to put on muscle mass. When training, focus on power and resistance training to build strength. To maximize body composition, as an ectomorph, eat good quality fats with moderate protein intake of 25 to 30 grams per meal, along with good quality carbohydrates. On non-training or exercising days, skip the pre-training morning snack, that is the breakfast is hearty enough to carry you through to lunch. And if you have afternoon snacks, you want to make your dinner intake a bit lighter. Now let's come to the second body type. The body type is the Mesomorph. You find it super easy to build muscle mass and you are generally proportionally built. Mesomorphs can lose and gain weight easily and are able to build muscle quickly and usually boast an upright posture. This body type tends to have a long torso and short limbs. Women with this body type are strong and athletic and they are an exclusive sports person. The reason for this talent lies in the type of muscles Mesomorph possess. Mesomorph have a higher percentage of fast twitch fibers and will gain muscle mass more quickly than any other body type. And for training, focus on moderate endurance training, high intensity interval training and plyometrics. You can add in pilates or yoga to lengthen the strength. To maximize body composition, as a mesomorph, eat good quality fats with moderate carbohydrates and consider timing your protein and branched chain amino acid intake. And on non-exercising days, skips the snack and just have a green tea or coffee in afternoon and eat your pre-dinner and usual snacks. And the third type of box, that is the body box, is the endomorphs. And this, you are generally softer and rounder and tend to store fat easily, just like me. Endomorphs are the body types that are most likely to they drew the short straw. They naturally tend to have curvy, fully figures and struggle to keep their body fat percentage in check. The most difficult challenge is that to find out that they are in fact an endomorph. Why? Once you know you are an endomorph, you know that you were born this way. It can be difficult to come to realization that you are likely to gain weight very easily. You have the type of metabolism that is not forgiving. However, this does not mean you are destined to be overweight or even over obese. Now, you must have a concentrated effort to do something. If your body isn't instinctively telling you to move more, you have to make sure that exercise is a part of your daily routine. And if the metabolism is sluggish, you have to eat foods that will rise your metabolism. And exercises such as HIIT and CrossFit are great. And a moderate endurance training is also good. And eat good quality fats and protein and limit your carbohydrate intake to maximize body composition and to control insulin and blood sugar. On non-training or exercising days, have a flat belly breakfast with 45 minutes of waking up and skip the pre and post-training snacks and get a snack to your appetite. In this video, we discussed about 3 different types of bodies. They were endomorphs, ectomorphs and mesomorphs. And in the next video, I'll come with a new concept. And please subscribe to the channel, and if you liked my video, just share your comments under the comment box. So see you